a happy sound. B is for ball, bouncing high and low. Bounce it to the letter B, watch it wiggle as you go. C is for cat, cuddle soft and sweet, curled up by the letter C, purring to the beat. D is for dog, running fast and free, fetch the stick and bring it back, happy as can be. E is for elephant, spraying water bright, painting letters in the air, what a silly sight. F is for fish, jumping from the sea, leaping in the shape of F, what a splashy sight to see. G is for giraffe, stretching way up high, reaching for the clouds above, almost touching the sky. H is for hide and seek, where could they be? Peekaboo around the H, 1, 2, 3. I is for ice cream, melty, sweet and bright, a lip becomes a letter I, sparkling with delight. J is for jumping, swinging ropes around, forming J's in midair as they bounce upon the ground. K is for kite, flying through the blue, drawing K across the sky, up and up it flew. L is for licking, push with all your might, stand the letter L up tall, hold it big and bright. M is for moon, glowing soft at night, bouncing on the moonbeam, makes an M shine bright. N is for nest, cozy as can be, building up the branches, 1, 2, 3. O is for octopus, bubbles everywhere, swimming in a circle shape, O is in the air. P is for panda, giggling happily, rolling to the letter P, soft and cuddly as can be. Q is for queen, jewels sparkle bright, crown upon her happy head, shining in the light. R is for rainbow, sliding fast and free, zooming down the colors, come and slide with me. S is for sunbeam, spinning warm and wide, shining like a golden path, swirling side to side. T is for turtle, walking slow and sweet, drawing out the letter T with glowing footprints on its feet. U is for umbrella, raindrops falling down, huddle underneath the U, smiles not a frown. E is for violin, play a happy tune, melodies are dancing like the stars beside the moon. W is for wave, splashing by the sea, surf the letter up and down, ride the W with me. X is for xylophone, ting 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 so bright, rainbow notes go flying, sparkling in the light. I is for yo-yo, spinning up so high, zooming, swooshing, swirling, dancing through the sky. Z is for zebra, painting stripes so bold, black and white together, what a story to be told. And the song with the cheer and sparkles, we learned our ABCs to pray. Hip hip hooray, hip hip hooray, A to Z, hooray hooray. Let's sing again another day. Use children's choir harmonies, big bright production, and the final sparkly musical flourish.